My name is Joe, and I manage our Cimco product line for us here at ShopWare Inc. During this brief video, we'll be highlighting cybersecurity in the manufacturing industry and why it's so important to stay vigilant in securing your company against potential bad actors. We'll review the current state of the manufacturing industry and highlight a groundbreaking new device that can assist in completely securing your CNC machines from the network. Let's get started. A 2024 report from IBM's X-Force Threat Intelligence Index, a tool that monitors over 150 billion security-related events worldwide, ranked manufacturing as its top targeted industry. Unfortunately for manufacturing, it's not the first time that they've seen this trend. Manufacturing has been ranked at the top of the index for the past 3 years. At the time of this video, in the US alone, cyber attacks have risen by 56% over last year, with manufacturers accounting for over 25% of the entirety of incidents. Whether it's the strict deadlines that manufacturers adhere to, a lack of IT tools at the ready, outdated equipment, or a combination of these, cybercriminals are ready to delay, disable, or hold your data for ransom at a hefty price. The culprit behind many of these attacks could very well be due to a lack of staffing on the IT side, or a need to get things done quickly at a low cost. Many IT departments or contract IT staffing firms will have tools to help, but upfront costs can start to rise quickly. A decision must be made to ensure security or gamble with the risk of a security breach. Below are some of the practices that our customers at ShopWare typically take to comply with the latest cybersecurity standards and regulations. These include network segmentation, multi-factor authentication for users, implementing an operational technology network, eliminating USB devices or outdated equipment, and of course routine security analyses. With these in mind, a major factor that often gets overlooked is CNC equipment and how their current operating systems can lead to threats or data manipulation. Many CNCs have been on the shop floor for years without regular updates to their controls. Legacy equipment married with newer equipment that does not comply with security standards can lead to vulnerabilities and insecure data transfer. Listed below are some issues that our team at ShopWare and other industry professionals have seen. These include unencrypted monitoring protocols, outdated file transfer protocols through things like SMB1, NFS2, or FTP, remote CNC variable manipulation, or malicious applications actually being installed on the control itself. To combat these issues, our corporate partner for us at ShopWare Inc., Cimco AS, is excited to announce DNC-Max, a brand new, groundbreaking device with a solution to secure CNC communication. DNC-Max makes it easy to connect CNC controls that still rely on outdated and insecure protocols. By securely converting these legacy connections into modern, encrypted protocols such as SMB3, SFTP, DNC-Max ensures that your data transfers are both safe and efficient. Unlike common firewalls that many IT departments are used to, DNC-Max instead solves the root issue with CNC networking. Firewalls can't secure the outdated machine-specific protocols still in use today. However, DNC-Max understands these protocols, whether from Fanuc, Siemens, or others, and converts them into secure, encrypted protocols for the company network. DNC-Max goes further by providing direct access to the control memory of machines using leading protocols, such as Fanuc Focus, Siemens NCU, Heidenhain, and OPC UA. For those who require fast, intuitive file transfer, the DNC-Max Explorer also offers a split-screen interface that simplifies the process. DNC-Max not only facilitates file transfer but also streamlines machine data collection. It supports common MDC protocols such as Siemens, Fanuc Focus, Heidenhain LSV2, Modbus, and Haas MNet or Next-Gen Control. With DNC-Max, all data is collected from these systems is encrypted and transmitted over a secure OPC UA channel, ensuring both the integrity and confidentiality of your machine data. When using DNC-Max along with Cimco software, you're choosing security and peace of mind, ensuring that your CNC machine data stays secure.